Oh, thank you.
We are heading to the airport now. We are leaving Langkawi and heading to Kuala Lumpur.
Yes, so the reason we came to Langkawi was because we were in Koh Lipe, was our last island in Thailand. In order to get to Kuala Lumpur, we had two options. We could either boat all the way back to Phuket and fly to Kuala Lumpur, or we could just do a little boat ride to Langkawi, stay here for a couple days, explore a new place, and then fly much cheaper to Kuala Lumpur. So we chose the second option, and now we are headed to the airport.
It worked out really well, and we got to see Koh Lipe, which is one of our favorite islands we went to.
Yeah, and that was one of the most southern islands in Thailand.
And this was the cheapest option too, which is nice for us. So
yeah, trying to save them dollars. And I was looking at that, it looks like mini faces.
It's like the face in the middle, the one.
You see it, Tom?
Yeah, the eyebrow.
The
I do.
eye, the nose,
Nose.
the lips, the chin.
that's so cool.
We made it through.
You got denied.
Is on the other side of security. It's right there. Lounges make airport experiences so much better.
First one through security, so I win today. And we're through.
It's always like such a hassle because you have to take all of your electronics out of your bags, and all three of our bags are all electronics, so you have to empty the whole thing. It's not that easy. On the flight next stop, KL.
All right, we made it to KL.
Yeah, time to go get our bags and grab a taxi. Grab a grab to our place. Struggle is real, peeps. Grabbing the grab.
To interfere with our health.
What?
She was trying to
Want
say
to bring new experiences
we got in our
every day?
crowd.
to have this like rooftop infinity pool, so
Yeah. That was the highlight of our little apartment we're getting.
yeah, because it's pretty cheap. Thank you so much for all of your help. Oh, there it is. Okay, thanks. Alrighty, let's show you guys some room. So this is what $25 a night will get you in Kuala Lumpur. A studio apartment. You have a little mini kitchen. You have a mini fridge, a microwave. You get a nice big spacious table. You get all of this room. You get an amazing view of the city. And you get a little bathroom. And the shower is separate from the toilet. And that is what $25 a night will get you in Kuala Lumpur. It's so pretty. I didn't expect it to be so big in here. I didn't expect there to be like temples and stuff inside the caves. It's kind of cool. All the monkeys. They're in the hills. They're waiting for us.
How much